I cannot wait for you to meet the man, the myth, the legend, Denis Nurmela, in just a moment.
I really want to help leaders become leaders. That's where my passion is. When I learned that my real passion is creation, and I just used it instead of on a art pad or something, I did it in business, create new companies. When the student is ready, the teacher appears. If you become the student and rewatch this, you will gain new things because you were listening, the teacher appeared, and the teacher is in your own head. Please, please, please be willing to think not only outside the box, but think outside the room that the box is in.
Denis Nurmela, everyone wants to know, mostly me, how do you define success?